Go. 5 o'clock. Dang, 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 dang. Okay, what time is it? Tiny, don't move it. It's 5 o'clock. Now, Ken, it's Tiny's turn. Tiny, the time is 9 o'clock. Go, Tiny. Where is the shorthand? 9 o'clock. Go. 9. Where is number 9? Amazing. Everybody, it's 9 o'clock. Now, Tiny, it's 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Where is the shorthand? Shorthand, Tiny. Short. That's the long hand. Short. Okay, go. 11. Where is number 11? Okay, go. 11. Go. It should point at 11. Ta-da! 11. Move a little bit more. Okay. Everybody, it's 11 o'clock. Now, Ken, the time is 3 o'clock. Ken, 3 o'clock. 3. Go. Move. Ta-da! You can stand, Ken. Stand up, Ken. So you can move the shorthand. 3 o'clock. Amazing. Okay, what time is it? It's Tiny, Ken. 3 o'clock. Okay, Tiny. It's 1 o'clock. Tiny. 1 o'clock. Go. 1. Go. Amazing. Say 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 1. Okay, amazing. Very good. High five. Okay.